That another one. No, me have another one now. Royalty, you want it? Record it. I have another prophecy. And the only reason why I will give that prophecy again, because me like the person and respect them. And I've been talking about it a long time in the group. I made a talk about it here on the live. And now, yeah, I talk about it on the live. Someone might know me I come with. Let me see if I can chance somebody. Who for name me at all? Who for name me call? Text it in quick. Let me see if I know for name me call. Who me come with? No. Brittany. No. Let me tell you this for Brittany when me see. Right? Oh Jesus, that's the third time I'm gonna call her name. Alright. Alright, hear me out now. Brittany is going to have a rough end of year. A very rough end of year. Medical condition, psychiatric condition, family problem. It's like this. What may I try to say? Their help need to be granted. If the help don't granted, then she will be. This is what I want to know. And I'm not dead, not granted. If the help don't granted, she will become a mad somebody full time madman, full time mad person. So that's where she heading, to a full time mad person, like Walker Road madman. That's the help she needed. Mental problem. And it's not witchcraft. Witchcraft was there in the past for cause her to fear stage. But what is causing this now, another witchcraft, is because of trauma and life and mindset and think and depress and all of that. It's like you lick a chip and you beat yourself. Mental problem, but rule Obia out because you can't see it and treat it for Obia, because that's not Obia. That is just doing that you're going through a lot before and more pressure company. You lick a chip and it become a mental state situation. So that's the situation. I supposed to talk to you, Madam Tree King, Madam Tree.